Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can join a club in Brawl Stars. So first of all, I'm showing it to you in an emulator, but you can use your mobile device or any device that you want as well because the process is the same. So first of all, launch your Brawl Stars and then log in with your account. So from the home page or menu, you'll see the club icon at the right side. Press on that. So I've already in a club, so I'll show you how to get into another. So from here, what you'll have to do is you'll have to press on the as you can see the icon here, club icon. So press on that. It is showing the existing club details. You can leave by pressing the leave button here. So what we'll do to join a club is to tap on the search for clubs button at the top right corner. So from here you'll have to search for, if you know the club's name that you want to join, search for it and it will come up. And if you want to join from the club that is best for you, as it is in the right side, so you'll see the member limit here as well, like 30 out of 29. So to join it, what you'll have to do is you'll have to press on it. So if the joining type is open, then you can join. So if it's invite only, what you'll have to do is you cannot join. If it is request based, then you can request to join, and then they will the club president and others will decide to take you in or not. So after clicking on the club, you'll see a button here to join or request or button. You'll have to press on that, and that is how you can join a club in Brawl Stars. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.